Traders, how the devil are you? Today is Thursday, the 8th of February, in case you don't know what day of the week it is. And we are going to start by looking at yesterday's trades, guys. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today. And we're going to look at the important news, all right? So stay tuned. Let's start with yesterday. I've had my breakfast. I've had my bran flakes and blueberries. Very nice. So let's look at yesterday. I don't know why I'm telling you this. This is the trade I got in, guys. I was looking at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and we were looking to sell this pair, all right? And we're still looking to sell this pair. We're in a downtrend, okay? And price has retraced to a very nice level. But you can see lower highs, lower lows, clearly in a downtrend, guys. And we just got to a really nice level yesterday. Not only was it a level with, you know, where all these sellers were sitting before, but this time it touched the moving average as well. So it's like double whammy resistance. And the idea was just to come lower, potentially all the way down to this blue line. All right. You can also see we got a nice reaction yesterday. So this will be a trade idea for today as well. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, I entered on this very nice bearish H4 candle. You have to bear in mind, guys, when a market retraces this much, yeah, on that day chart, you know, the market has retraced, yeah, you're going to be against H4 and possibly H1. Yeah, you're going to be against trend. But, you know, once it's retraced that much and we start to see sellers, we could, you know, potentially expect a strong reaction. We shall see. I think if we get a break of this level, we will see that. But anyway, guys, saw this nice big bearish H4 candle. I got a really nice retrace. Yeah, I actually entered in here. I've put my stop above this last daily high over here. Yeah, and my first target is simply this next piece of potential support. Yeah, I'm you know, I want it to come down to here, guys. Yeah, obviously, right? And that would be a very nice trade. But the market is telling me that you're going to see buyers in here potentially. So this is where I'm going to take some profit. Do what the market tells you, not what you want. This is what I want. This is what the market is telling me. All right, but I'll take some profit and then I'll leave some profit to run so you can have the best of both worlds, hopefully. All right, so we're in this trade, guys. That's my trade idea. We'll see how this plays out today. And that was the only trade I took yesterday because the other pairs we were looking at was pound US dollar. Again, we still really like this level through here. Yeah. So if you look at pound US dollar, price came up and we've just been in this range and then some disgusting price action. And once you get price action like this, price has to go somewhere. It becomes so contracted that it needs to go somewhere. Yeah. And then bang, sellers won. Sellers won this battle. Yeah. Now it's retraced. And like I say, it's at this really nice level on pound US dollar. And the idea was to come back down. The problem is, guys, we just haven't had anything to tell us to do that. Yeah, you know, we're starting, you know, none of these are selling candles on the H4. We've started to see a few sellers come into the market, all right, but there's still no structure breaks. If we drop down to the H1, you know, perhaps if we get a break of this, yeah, we might be interested. So, yeah, just nothing told us to sell pound US dollar, and it was the same with Aussie dollar US dollar. Nothing's told us to sell this yet either. But again, you know, clearly in a downtrend, you know, this contraction, bang, yeah, in a downtrend, breaking these lows here. All right. And again, if I zoom in, yeah, it's retraced. It's retracing into a nice zone here for potential sells. Again, nothing has told us to start selling this really because there's this H4 level through here. Yeah, it was once, you know, resistance, and now it's become support. So really, for us to start looking at this, we need to see a break of that level, and we just haven't yet. So, yeah, no trades on those US dollar pairs. So yeah, those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my analysis and my trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. Subscribe to the channel right now, smash the notification button so you receive an alert, and please smash the like button right now. It really helps support the vid and the channel, and it keeps the psychotic editor happy. Right, trades for Thursday, the 8th of February. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? Come join our trading community. It's free to join. There's like-minded traders. Come join it. We've got the free Discord channel. We've also got the VIP Discord channel, okay, where you get access to me. I give you my trade ideas, and you get access to just a sea of tutorials that will help you trade. So check that out. Also, if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there are loads of perks for doing so. Also, don't forget the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. I've got a guest for you, and he's created a strategy for us, I believe. So come check that out. And question of the day, guys, again, is just what do you struggle with in trading? Yeah, we're going to get, loads of information from this, guys, and we can create some tutorials. Give us a bit of time, but we can create some tutorials on this. All right, so what do you struggle with trading? Leave your comment below this vid. Right, trades for today then, guys, right? I am seeing Swiss franc weakness. Okay, it is the opposite of Arnold Schwarzenegger. All right, or Jean-Claude Van Damme, the opposite. Yeah, weak Swiss franc. Just look at these are not trade ideas, but I'm just showing you the weakness. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. Look at those bullish candle. This is Aussie dollar Swiss franc, but this is still in a downtrend for me. If you look at any of them, CAD Swiss franc, this is now in an uptrend. Yeah, it's broken these highs, but we're at an area of resistance. Okay, Euro Swiss franc, any of them. Look at that. Look how strong this daily candle is. But again, this is at a resistance level. All right, but I am seeing Swiss franc, and that has led me to my first trade idea, which is Swiss franc Japanese yen. All right, so we have been waiting for this break for 1,200 years. Yeah, because look, prices come up, was in an uptrend, and then just look at that. Just absolute ranging market. That is a box of indecision. Yeah, we talk about these boxes of indecision in the VIP as part of our tutorials. Yeah, box of indecision, and we have had a break yesterday. Yeah, sellers finally won and peeked their little head out like a little tortoise peeping its head out of its shell. Yeah, it has closed below this level. It's now retraced into this level, and we're looking to take it just down to here. Okay, and then potentially it could come lower, but this is the first piece of support, and it's a nice psychological level, and it's still 100 pips to move into as of current price. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, we're in the gray zone. Yeah, we just want to see a bearish reaction in here somewhere. All right, perhaps the moving average 20 comes down. We get a bearish reaction, and then we can start selling Swiss franc Japanese yen. I don't really want it to break this level, because that would become a H4 structure break. And then I'd lose interest in this trade, really, guys. Yeah, I want to see something happen before that level. All right, and then we can start selling. All right, so Swiss franc Japanese yen is my first trade idea for today. Next trade idea for today is euro pound. Okay, so euro pound. I'm in this trade. I've literally just got out of my hedge late last night, basically. If we look at the day chart, why do I like this pair? Well, we're in an uptrend. I know you have to be very, it's like to the pip, but this is Yeah, that is the last high. It's come down. It hasn't broken these lows. Yeah, and price, yeah, this big green candle here just broke these highs. Only just, but it did break it. It broke above the moving average 20, above these highs. We are in an uptrend. Okay, we've got higher highs. Also, this is a very nice weekly support level. If we drop down to the H4, okay, it's more of a H1 play, but I actually got out my hedge on this candle. You know, this candle here. Close my hedge, my new sell orders down here. But if we look at the H1, yeah, there's an area here which would constitute a H1 structure break. All right, so price has been, you know, coming down, yeah, and now it's come back up. We've seen that, you know, those bullish H4 candles, lots of buying pressure, but there's this level through here, guys. All right, if we get a bullish candle that breaks through this, yeah, we can start buying euro pound. Okay, enter here, stop below here, look to take price back up to this level here. All right, guys, so euro pound buys, we like this idea. There's more. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm also in this trade. I still like this one as well. If we go to the day chart, this was part of my recap as well, but, you know, we're in a downtrend. Clearly in a downtrend. Lower lows, yeah, lower highs, right? And we've got a really nice candle. Not super bearish, but a nice rejection candle at the moving average 20 and at this piece of resistance. All right, so double whammy resistance. If we drop down to the H4, you can see there's this level here. All right, so, you know, we're in this H4 uptrend, but if it breaks this level, yeah, we're in a H4 downtrend. Okay, and that's quite a big deal. So if we get a break here, we'll be looking to take price potentially all the way down to here. As I pointed out in the recap, there is this level here we need to be wary of. But like I said, at this point, if we start selling, we've also had a H4 structure break. Okay, so yeah, but be wary of this level. If price starts really bouncing off this level, you could perhaps cut your trade. Yeah, but keep an eye on that. But the idea is to potentially come all the way back down. All right, so New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, we're looking to sell that. And my final trade, I've got 5 trades today, guys. Before I show you my last couple of trades, like I say, guys, if you enjoy my trade ideas, please come subscribe to the channel. And if everyone could please smash the like button. I'm actually punching my mic there for no apparent reason. Aussie dollar, US dollar. This is my next trade idea. And also join our free trading community, guys. If you haven't, come join it. You've got loads of like-minded traders sharing ideas, knowledge, trades. Come join the free Discord. Yes, Aussie dollar, US dollar. Yeah, again, you know, we've looked at these pairs this week, right? So this is in a downtrend, consolidation, kapow. Yeah, retraced. We're at a nice level. Okay. And the idea is potentially come lower. All right. Back down to these last lows. If we go to the H4 now, yeah, this is the level we want to see break. And it might not. Yeah, but we need to see these levels broke because if you look at the H4, we're in this uptrend. Perhaps price bounces off this and carries on up. Yeah, very possible. But if that doesn't happen and price perhaps does this, yeah, and we get a break of this last low, we've had a H4 structure break and a H1, and then we can start coming lower, guys. All right. You know, you could wait a long time for that, guys. It may not even happen today. It might be a trade for tomorrow. We shall see. But I've planned my trade. This is what I want to see happen. And then finally, guys, just pound US dollar. Yeah, we're still looking at this as well. If we look at the day chart, yeah, clearly in a downtrend, rangy, crappy, break. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. We broke all of these lows, and now we're back at this, what was once support, now resistance level. Okay, I could probably Yeah, let's do that. Okay. If we look at the H4, what do we want to see? Okay, that potentially would be a H4 break, but let's have a look at the H1 because it's just a bit clearer. Yeah, there you go, guys. You can see price has got to this level and it just, look at that. It really doesn't know what to do. So this has become, like a box of indecision on the H1. And again, it could break either way, guys. If it breaks to the upside, there's probably, further room to the upside. But if it breaks to the downside, we are interested. Yeah, and we could potentially start selling all the way back down to here. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Thursday, the 8th of February. Overnight, guys, we had some disappointing CPI figures coming out of China. So, this could affect the Aussie dollar, yeah, because they have close trading relations, affect the Aussie dollar negatively. But the news we're interested in is this. At 1:30 London GMT, we have got continuing jobless claims and initial jobless claims coming out at the same time. So this could really move any US dollar pair. All right. And remember, we're interested in US dollar pairs today. So need to be aware of that. And then after that, guys, the only other piece of news we're interested in is this. At 6 o'clock, we've got the 30-year bond auction. So again, could move the US dollar. And that's it, guys. So quite a light news day. You can trade freely. Don't forget to join me for the live stream, guys. Today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get all of your questions ready. Please subscribe, like, and share. All right. See you later, guys.